that, take it out, turn it around so that you can bend the S-hook going the other way. Make sure that you're down flat all the way on your jig. There you go. Good. Just wrap that around. This is going to hold at that point because you're locking it between that pin. So that should hold for you. So that's the advantage to us using this little bending jig to do this. There you go. Now you're going to notice how it springs back on you. So put it back in there. Let's bend that a little bit more so that put it the same way. Oh, back the same way you had it. So we had it back here like this, okay, and then we're gonna bend this part just a little bit more, all right, so that it kind of comes over the same way as your other one. And go beyond it a little bit. Okay, good. That around and form it as close to the diameter of the jig there as you can. So kind of bring that around. So now remember, due to the elastic and the ductile nature of our steel, so you want to bring that around a little bit more. So you might have to go on the other side of your piece of steel there. Okay, just get that back in there. There you go. Keep on forming it. Good. All right, now take it out. So now we're gonna move this now this way. So we're gonna flip it around like that. Go ahead and do the same thing. Put it down on as far down as you can. So put it straight in here like this. There you go. All right. Now wrap it around again. Try to keep it as tight up against the dowel rod as you can, the dowel pin as you can. Go. All right, when you got it where you want it, so you can always put the other one back in and bend the other one some more unless you're happy with the way it is.
I'm good with it.
You good with it? All right.